welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. Now what I really like about this is it does have the Z71 off-road pack, which is always nice on any truck. I think that should be a standard thing. Just because if you have a truck, you might as well have it so it can go off-road. Now what I really like about the tailgate is it does have these easy step-ups, which makes it a lot easier compared to a lot of trucks. It also has a spray-in bed liner, and if you take a look over here, it does have a full charging port so that you can use any of your tools just from out back here in the bed of your truck. Now, take a look out back. This is a crew cab, so it does have a 5-foot 7-inch bed and then plenty of legroom out back. You also have multiple charging ports in the rear seats out back there. And you actually do have these little stowaway hidden storage places inside of the seats on both sides in the rear. Now up front, you do have your heated seats. It does have the leather interior, which is always nice. It has the heated seats, heated steering wheel. It also has the max tow package with the trailer braking adapter and everything. Now this will not be here long. It does only have just under 9,000 miles. I want to thank you again for your time watching this video, and if there is anything that we can do for you here, just come in, ask me. My name is Jordan here at Jaguar Land Rover. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.